state-of-the-art technologies, innovative business strategies, behind the scenes, insights from cutting-edge users around the globe on World Business Review.
In a catastrophic event, the need to reduce injuries from flying glass shards is imperative. Safety and security window films from Matico Incorporated are helping.
Most Americans want to know that they are going to be protected in their place of employment should a disaster strike. Through innovation, a variety of tested films and attachment systems are providing some level of protection against flying glass.
Blast protection is of primary importance for businesses who are a target of potential terrorist acts, or if they're very near potential targets. If they have a large number of people who could be exposed in a building, then they have a very keen interest in protecting their personnel.
We became concerned about the security issue largely because of our proximity to the World Bank and as well as the White House. And there was some information, I believe in about 2004, that the World Bank had been on some target list. And that really got our attention. Happily, at that time, we were already planning to take steps, but that really reinforced the need to do it.
Once installed, the nearly invisible hazard mitigation systems provides 24-hour, 7 days per week support.
When developing recommendations for a blast protection solution, we try to achieve a balance between protection level, impact to operations, and cost. We focus on mitigation of glass and structural collapse hazards.
By testing many recognized threats and providing a variety of systems that fit various types of windows, Matico Incorporated differentiates itself from others in the marketplace.
Matico's position in the marketplace is one of a pioneer and also a full-service provider of total solutions for safety and security films. Matico differentiates itself in many ways. Our products are created differently. We have discrete and specialized raw materials that we use to make sure that the products do what they're intending to do in any given test.
Pressure that would have been applied to just the glass is now transferred to the entire glazing unit, thereby dispersing the energy and improving the probability of the glass remaining affixed in the opening, helping eliminate the injuries associated with flying glass.
In order to be sure we made the right upgrades for the threats, the first thing we did was got ourselves an education by talking to a security consultant about what is the nature of the threat. Once we had a good sense of the scope of the threat and the practical things one can do to protect against some threats, we then worked with our project managers who began to work with outside vendors to come up with solutions that match the threats and the things we thought could work for us.
Through continued testing, the performance of almost any type of window glass against threats will see improvement.
Blast protection has historically been focused on retrofit of buildings. What we're seeing now is incorporating blast features into new construction. Some studies have shown approximately a 5% increase in the building cost to put blast protection into a new construction. We're also seeing incorporating of blast requirements into building codes. That's going to drive the cost down even farther.
With innovation, design, and functionality of their safety and security products, Matico Incorporated is securing its position as a force to be reckoned with. For World Business Review, I'm Jamie Mahler reporting.